Hello, and this is an introduction video of Section 3, Configure and Deploy Pipeline. In this video, we will cover the continuous integration and continuous delivery overview. So, what is continuous integration? It is a practice of frequently merging code changes. So, this means that we have some developers working on a code-based project. They are merging their changes frequently throughout the day. However, when the developers merging their code quite frequently, there are certain difficulties that arise. For example, what if the code doesn't compile after the merge? When two different developers are working on that code, and when they combine and merge their code, the code no longer compiles if some developer broke something. So the idea here is that when we are doing these changes frequently, it can be a lot of work to check on all these things after every merge. So the solution to the problem here is to automate the whole process, and automation is a huge part of CI, which is the continuous integration. So the way to do that, we use CI server to execute a build that automatically prepares, compiles the code, and runs the automated tests. So Jenkins is the perfect example for the automation. Usually CI server automatically detects the code and changes in the source control and runs the build whenever there is a change. So the source control can be GitHub or any other like SVM tool. If something goes wrong and the build fails, the team can get the immediate feedback if their change broke something. This could take a form of automated emails that are sent out to the teams from CI server. The CI server can also integrate with Slack server to post the messages from the CI server. There are many different ways to provide the immediate feedback to the team so they can address problem quickly. So if we get an immediate feedback from the teams, that means if you broke something, you broke it within that time period in which the last changes occur. And that is some couple of hours. So this is much easier to fix instead if you broke something with your changes from a week. So what is continuous delivery? Jenkins is also a very powerful tool for continuous delivery. We can implement continuous delivery through Jenkins Pipeline that we will discuss and demonstrate in later videos. So what Jenkins Pipeline does, it takes the source code through a pipeline and deploy that source code all the way to the production deployment. In this section of the course, we will be using Jenkins as a CI server. Later on, we will also demonstrate that how the Jenkins can work as a continuous delivery server as well. And you can find more information about the Jenkins from the below URL. So as per the Jenkins official definition, the leading open source automation server, Jenkins provides hundreds of plugins to support building, deploying, and automating a project.